Alright guys, welcome to Sunday Fun Day where we go over the portfolio. Let's see what we did for the month of February. This will be the February portfolio review where we go over the amount of money we had in our portfolio, and then also the amount of money we deposited, what stocks we purchased, and the dividend. So this is the full review. For the month of February, we deposited, we actually didn't deposit this amount, but basically one of our free stocks we got for Webull for joining Webull did a reverse split where they took if you had 4 shares of stock, they made that 1 share. So if you didn't have 4 shares, they ended up paying you the amount of money that the stock was worth. So in our case, we got paid $4.14 for that 1 share of stock. So that was deposited into our account. And then I had taken the $732 worth of change that I started the kids' college fund with and deposited that into our account. So with all that money, basically we should go over what we bought with that money. What I bought with the $700.32. I decided to do something that I feel is smart. I bought monthly paying dividend stocks with that money. So the whole $732, I bought stocks that will pay me every month. The stocks I bought I bought 2 shares of EPR Properties. They each were, each one of those shares was $67.75. I also bought 1 share of Realty Income Corp. That was $79.55. So then I also I made 2 different purchases because by the time I got around to doing this, the stock market started to go down. So I ended up buying 10 shares of Apple Realty, which they deal with like the Marriott hotels and stuff. But I bought 10 shares at $15.05 and then 4 shares at $14.05. So basically, the neat thing with this company is every month I'll get paid $1.40. I get paid 10 cents per share that I own. So every month I'll get $1.40 from that. I bought my first ETF, which I had always thought I was going to buy a Vanguard ETF for my first ETF, but I ended up buying, the ticker symbol is QYLD. Basically, it's a covered call ETF. The reason I bought this one was because it pays a monthly dividend, and it's about a quarter, give or take a little bit. But I bought 5 shares at $23.05, and then 2 shares at $22.33. So altogether, I have 7 shares, so every month I'll get almost, I don't know, what is that, $1.50 something altogether. I think it's 23 cents is what it paid. Let me figure out 0.23 times that. So it'll be about $1.61 or so. And then I bought 10 shares of Horizon Technology Finance at $12.50. And then I bought 2 shares at $11.84. So that one I'll also be getting 10 cents per share, so every month I'm going to get $1.20 from that one. But that was all I bought with my money, my change. So basically I have around $815 in change in the stock market right now. Basically making, let me see if I can figure out how much I'm going to make. Basically, every month from those ones, for my original change deposit, I will make $1.49 plus $0.23 plus $0.75 plus $1.48 plus $1.35 plus $1.20. So basically, altogether, every month I should make $6.41 just from those stocks, just for my change. Which is an amazing return because if you had if you had that money sitting in your bank account, like I did for some of it, you wouldn't make $6.41 a month. So with that, plus with my other stocks, I should be on track for the month of March to be able to buy my first share of stock with my dividends from my change money and my other investments. So that's going to be pretty neat, because basically within, I don't know, 2-3 months of doing this, basically my money is making enough money to buy something that's going to be making money. It's not a lot of money, but it's something. It's a lot more money than it was making before, but it's just, for me, it's encouraging, even though the stock market has made a big dip the last couple days, which is, it's scary, but it's also frustrating for me, because like I really wish I had more money to invest, because there's like, I don't know, 6 other stocks that I wanted to buy, but they were way too expensive because the stock market was at like an all-time high for a long time, and now basically all of the stocks have gone like this, so then they're reasonably priced, which I imagine is how Shelly feels when stuff goes on sale at the store. So same concept for me, and I finally understand how she feels when she starts to go clearance shopping. My only problem is I don't have any money to put into here to buy anything. I did at the end of, as far as for another deposit, basically I've decided all the extra money I make, I'm going to take half of that, at least half of it, and invest half of it into my Webull account, and then I'm going to save the other half of it, or use it to pay off bills and stuff like that. But basically I want to, for all my extra money, start a 50% investing rate for that. So my tax return for this year was $408. So I took $200 of that, put it into my Webull account. I did that on the 28th. And then I also took all of my leftover money for the month of February that I didn't spend out of my budget, and I deposited that into my Webull account too, so that was $105. So altogether for the month of March, I will have $305 to spend on stocks. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to buy, I don't know, there's probably 3 stocks I could buy right now that are reasonably priced, that are really good companies. They don't have the highest dividend, but they're one of the companies that raise their dividend every year. So I kind of feel like I should just buy them now, now that they're reasonably priced. Or I may just try to get all the funds that I do have currently to where like I have 5 shares of each stock. So basically every time I get paid, I make at least $1 or $2. That way I can buy more of the one stock I'm going to buy with my dividend money. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do, but altogether I've deposited $1,869.14. That doesn't seem right, but I don't know. $4.14 of that is that one free stock, but yeah. So I have. Let me record this for you guys, or get this pulled up on the screen here. But yeah, I mean, $1,800 deposited, and then currently my. First, they want you to trade options. Not going to do that. But anyways, but as you can see, and it's funny, I wish I had recorded this earlier, but all of these were all in the red, every single one of them, except for the one stock, except for this one, this Tiva, which is the first one of the free stocks I've gotten. That one's doing pretty good. As you can see, I'm up almost $2. But anyways, the balance of my account is basically $1,464.49. So money-wise, I've basically lost $154.41, and that's the only thing is like if I was to sell all my stocks, this is how much it would be worth. But because I don't plan on selling any of them, I technically haven't lost any money. I do have a cash balance of $10.24, which most of that is dividends, and then leftover money because like you can't spend all the money all the time. But these are the dividends I have received basically in the last couple months. As you can see, we're on the 2nd month of getting money from that Oxford Lane Capital, which that was the first chunk of change I deposited, which was like $90 some, and I've already made almost $3 off of it. So that's encouraging. But yeah, so altogether I've made $4.32 basically profit by investing my money in the stock market. Webull did just upgrade their app, which I had found a really neat feature on the old version that tells you about your incoming dividend amounts and stuff, so that you can kind of keep track of them. One neat thing is they do have it broke up into your different components of your money, basically. So they have your dividends, your profit loss, and then fees and stuff. Like this one was basically from them giving me that $4.15 for that stock they made me sell. But so far, I mean, it is pretty neat. I'm excited about this, except for yesterday that ExxonMobil there in the center was down $54. So same thing, like I'm sitting here waiting for my cash to settle, and I could have bought ExxonMobil. If you look right here, ExxonMobil was basically trading super low. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I can't get it. This is ridiculous. But anyways, let me get back here so I'll show you. So just today, ExxonMobil was it was under $50 a share, and it's gone up $4. So had I, but like this is the dip I'm talking about right here, just so everybody notices this. Like this is the dip that's happened. Basically where the blue line is. Oh, this is Unilever. Sorry about that. But anyways, ExxonMobil was trading for under $50, and here it is. It's at $53. So basically, if I could have bought it this morning, I would have made, because I was going to buy 2 shares of it, I would have made $6 this morning. But here it shows where I bought it at is the blue line that's going across the screen, and then the dip is the big cliff right there. So in the way I'm figuring out if it's on sale at the moment is the purple line. So if it's below the purple line quite a bit, I feel like it's a good deal, because that tells you the last 180 days of what it's been trading at. But anyways, hopefully you found this interesting. If you are buying stocks and stuff, I hope you the best. This is not investing advice. This is just what I'm doing. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And we'll see you in the next one.